If you can't beat them, join them. Well, now you can copy the trades from the trading go herself, Nancy Pelosi, along with the other Congress buys, hedge funds, AI, and more. And in this video, I'll show you how the Autopilot investing app works, what you can invest in, and some surprising things you need to know before letting your money fly on Autopilot. So what's the deal with Autopilot? It's an investing app that takes the guesswork out of managing your portfolio. And by guesswork, I mean randomly Googling, should I buy Tesla stock today? Autopilot syncs directly with platforms like Robinhood, Webull, and others, so you can copy the trades of politicians, hedge funds, and even AI-powered portfolios. Here's how it works. Step number 1, you just download the app. Step number 2, you pick your portfolio, whether it's Nancy Pelosi, GPT, or a hedge fund. Once you choose, the app automatically matches your trades to your selected strategy. There's no manual work required. Step number 3, you link your brokerage account, like Robinhood, using their secure encryption. Autopilot invests in your brokerage so the stocks stay in the Robinhood app, which is a big feature that I like. And last and final, step number 4, you choose your investment amount. And that's it. The app will automatically buy and sell positions for you. The investment options are, well, let's say as colorful as politicians' speech. Here's what you could choose from. The Pelosi Tracker, invest in the stock queen herself, love her or hate her, the woman has moves. Congress buys, follow the trends of lawmakers, inside information, who knows. Trump portfolio, big, bold, in, well, let's just leave it at that. GPT portfolio, let AI call the shots. Hedge funds, want to play with the big leagues, mimic the strategies of the top hedge funds for that exclusive feel. And here's the bonus. You can invest in multiple portfolios at once, so why settle for just one? Now, let's talk about some of the not so fun stuff, and first is pricing. Autopilot starts at $29 for 3 months or $100 for the year. And those fees really add up, especially if you're investing a small amount of money. One critical point that I messed up when I first got started is it's not $29 for 3 months or $100 for the year to use the app. It's $29 for 3 months or $100 per account you invest in. So if you want to do the Nancy portfolio, GPT, or Congress buys, that's $300 for the year. Also, just because you're copying politicians doesn't mean you'll get rich. Remember, they're not magicians. Well, maybe just financial magicians. And don't forget, the market has risk. Stocks can drop faster than my self-esteem after a bad joke. So invest cautiously. However, if you don't want to pay, there is also a free option. It lets you automatically buy all the holdings that you decide to invest in. But here's the catch. It won't automatically buy or sell new positions in the future when the person makes a trade. So it's a little bit more hands-on. Another thing to keep in mind, there's also a minimum investment of $500 per fund. This makes sense, but keep this in mind. If you pay $100 in fees and only invest $500, that's already a 20% fee. For reference, the Vanguard only charges 1/3 of a percentage for their S&P ETF. My take, Autopilot is great if you're into hands-off investing or experimenting in unique strategies, but it's not a magic money printer. It's like using GPS. It will guide you, but you need to watch the road. So if you're okay with the fees and risk, yeah, give it a shot. Just don't blame me if your Congress portfolio tanks after a scandal. I can't control that. As for me, I'm going to keep using the app, and I'll make a follow-up review video after 90 days with my current holdings to see how it performs. Let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see that video. In the meantime, I'm thinking about significantly increasing my holdings so the fees become a smaller percentage of my total investment. Interested in more financial apps? Feel free to check out our website for more honest reviews. If you enjoyed this video or just learned what the Pelosi Tracker is, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing and side hustle tips. Make sure to share this video with your money curious friends. Until next time, peace.